Hello, my name is Daisy Lorena Lozada Vanguero, Pedashun Lirum, Hypron Coloro Cauca. I live is Robleira and 32 years old, listening to music. I live my mother and my little brother. I study industrial engineering. I favorite programs the grandbrother study. My family is made up of 3 people with me. My mother is Nancy Vanguero, has 52 years old, and she's half-fed, was born in the Coloro Cauca. My mother the brown skin lapis, Smalai branchai femurai high, as the one woman in the world I love you. I little brother, he's died Fernando Ori Vanguero, is 22 years old. I was helping an uncle from I won in Cali varias más had the high Cauca. I had a band sky one day was cycled handsome. He's my child. Thank you.